In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find my Gmail password, 5 minutes. We'll walk through how to see a Gmail password that's already saved in Google Chrome using Chrome's built-in password manager. This is useful if you've saved your login before and just need to view it again, all while keeping your account secure. Start by opening the Google Chrome browser on your computer. In the top right corner, look for the three vertical dots. That's the menu button that opens Chrome's controls. Click it, then choose Settings. If you don't see Settings right away, it's near the bottom of that menu. Inside Settings, glance to the left-hand side for the section labeled Autofill and Passwords. This is where Chrome stores your saved information like addresses, payment methods, and passwords. Click Autofill and Passwords, then select Google Password Manager. This takes you to the central place where Chrome and your Google account manage saved logins. Once you're in Password Manager, you'll see a list of saved sites and apps. Remember, your Gmail password is the same as your Google account password, so you're looking for entries like Google, Google account, accountsgoogle.com, or even mail.google.com. If you have a lot of entries, use the search bar at the top and type Google to narrow things down. You can also look for the specific website where you originally signed in with your Gmail if that's where it was saved. When you find the right entry, click it to open the details. For your protection, Chrome may prompt you to verify that it's really you. On most computers, that means entering your computer's login password or using your device's unlock method like Touch ID or Windows Hello. This extra step helps prevent someone else from revealing your passwords if they happen to be using your device. After you verify, you'll see the login details. Next to the hidden password, click the eye icon to reveal it. Take a moment to read it carefully, and if you need to use it elsewhere, you can copy it securely. Be mindful of who's around you and avoid revealing your password on shared screens. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. If you don't see your Gmail or Google entry, it may not have been saved in this Chrome profile or on this device. You can try another profile you use or the browser where you originally saved it. And as a best practice, only reveal passwords on devices you trust and consider turning on two-factor authentication for extra protection. That's it. You've successfully found your saved Gmail password in Chrome's password manager.